Model, 2019 Ford Transit Custom Limited Cam Wet Belt Snapped None Runner Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 118288. MOT, 1st of October 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start, timing belt has snapped. Straightforward repair, if you know what you're doing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, cruise control.